So I built Onlyfast originally for myself because I want a better way to track race setups, and make smart changes, learn what the car was doing week to week, and after a lot of time and testing and pretty substantial investment, I'm soft launching it for other racers to start using. So the main feature is setup tracking with AI assistance built around real setup information that you enter in. So instead of generic advice, Onlyfast is looking at your actual setup, your feedback, track conditions, and all the physics related to racing and the changes that you make. So you can save race weekends, add sessions, prepare your notes, track parts, organize your schedule, and share setups with other people. It's still growing, but it's ready enough that I wanted to get started getting it into racers' hands and keep improving it from their feedback. So let's take a quick look at Onlyfast. At the landing page here, it gives you your current car, quick way to jump back and forth to save setups starting the race weekend. But like I said, the main part of the app is setups. So for example, here you can take a look at a current setup. Here you can see you have GPS autofill to tell you where the track is, and also give you the current weather. This is from a race a couple weeks ago. And based on your session, you could input how the track is feeling here, and your different setup fields you could add in. And then if there's any issues, then you could request that the system will give you an update or a suggestions based again on what your actual setup is, and it'll give you very specific things to do. And if you look right here, we could scan a My Race Pass or any other timing website. You could scan your data, input it in here, and then boom, you have it in here, and that'll reflect everywhere on the app. It'll also show you on the front page based on like how well you did, your positions gained and lost, all that, etc. From here, we can also take a look at some other cool different features. Very simple stuff like to-do lists. I haven't updated it for this week yet, but I usually have a bunch of stuff in it. You have your whole race schedule you can put in here, and then you put your how you finish as well. That also populates in the front, but it'll automatically do that if you scan your stuff. Parts reference. If you find some weird part, like I had to buy a fuel cap the other day, then you could put the part number and reference it, and all that is all in there. And you could also share setups with your friends, or if you want to share a setup, generate a code, and your friend could see it if you want to, or if you want to be a cool guy. But basically, that's Onlyfast, and if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a text. Thanks, guys.